Hey guys! Hope you're having a good week. We are winding down. We only have a couple days left of the semester. I know it's been a really quick course, but I just wanted to check in and make sure everyone's doing all right. I also wanted to remind you that your final two assignments are due. So under the assignments tab, I've had your take-home final available for several weeks now, which I usually don't do in a regular semester, but because I know this is only like a 3.5 week course, I wanted to make sure you guys had plenty of time to do it. So that's been available for a while. That is due by Friday night at midnight. I just want to check. Let me pull up your calendar here. Let's see. Let me go to your schedule. So if you go down to section 7, Narrative of Dreams, that's where we are this week. And you have your PowerPoint here. So make sure you've done that. And then it looks like your historical narrative final is due by Friday at midnight, and your take-home exam is due by Friday at midnight. So I gave you guys all week to work on those. So make sure you've gone to assignments. If you haven't started your historical narrative papers yet, it's going to be tight at this point. I really wanted you guys to start those last week when I reminded you to, because they really need editing. If you haven't started it yet and you're racking your brain trying to figure out something to write on, choose a historical figure. Choose we just lost Toni Morrison. She would be an amazing person to study. Don't everybody go right on Toni Morrison if you haven't picked one yet, but you know what I mean. Choose a figure that you can appreciate, learn a bit about them, how they influence history, what was their story, and then connect it to the course. If you've already done that, it's time to edit. Make sure you've edited your paper. If you have not started this assignment yet, you have to start it ASAP today. Whatever you have planned, you got to cancel it and write this paper. And then your take-home final is due by Friday at midnight too. I cannot accept any late assignments. I've had both of these assignments available, I think, for the better part of the semester. So I have a grade deadline. I've given you absolutely up until the last possible minute. I will be grading nonstop this weekend. I cannot accept any late assignments because my grades are due by Monday morning. So I cannot accept any late assignments. Any late assignments will be, unfortunately, I think if you get a 0 on the assignment, I don't know how you're going to pass the course. So you have to get these done now. If you have any questions on these, please let me know, and I will be here to help today. Go ahead and send me an email, or that would be the best way to get a hold of me, and I'll be checking my email throughout the day. Let me know if you need anything or if you have any questions about your paper. All right, thanks guys.